Deal? All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, today is June 16 of 2012. We got Gray Area Band here, one of our local bands within the Greater Subic Bay area. And they're live inside the booth of 89.5, June 16 of 2012. The second song coming up next. Here we go. And the title of the second song is Wish I Knew. Is this an original song as well?
Yes.
Yes, it is.
Lahat ng tutugtugin namin yan, all original songs.
Okay, cool. So let's hear it from Gray Area Band.
It's an EP album, huh?
You get the EP. You'll just have to contact them with the numbers that we gave you, okay? Here we go. Wish I Knew. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
If tomorrow's gonna be the day for us, I wish I knew where we're going to. Wish I knew our world has crossed. Wish I knew. Wish I knew. Wish I knew there'll be more time. Life doesn't need to be that best. Should have seen it all, but if it's too late for us, tomorrow will never be the same. I wish I knew where we're going to. Wish I knew our world has crossed. Wish I knew. Wish I knew where we're going to. Wish I knew there'll be more time to take such you have said and done. Can't erase. Never gonna lie or run. Wish I knew where we're going to. Now world has crossed. Wish I knew where we're going to. There'll be a time. Wish I knew where we're going to. Now world has crossed. Wish I knew
there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Gray Area Band with their second song. Live inside the booth of 89.5 FM, Subic Bay Radio, worldwide, 24/7. Wish I knew. Kung alam ko lang, sana di walang problema ngayon. Ano, ano bang particular na bagay yung o pangyayari yung sana alam mo dati pa?
Teka, ang mas makakasagot niyan si Renz eh. Kasi siyang co-writer ko dyan sa song na yan.
Ayun,
Ako
Renz.
tinuturo mo.
Bakit nga ba?
Madalas kasi ang tumaya ng loto dati.
Yung ba yun? Ay, kung yun lang ang dahilan magandang ano yan, marami.
Tuwing titingnan ko yung nanalo, yung sa dyaryo,
Sana alam
dapat,
ko. Oo.
alam ko na to eh. Number na to eh. Oo, dapat yun.
Magandang rason yan, kaya nakabuo ng kanta Wish I Knew, di ba?
Sa weteng, ganun din madalas.
Ganun ba yun? Yari tayo dyan.
Noon yun.
Noon ba?
Bawal yun.
Wala na.
Masama yun. Oo.
Masama.
Ending. Hanggang ending lang.
Ending. Kung alam ko lang sino mananalo sa sa basketball, no? Tsaka kay Pacquiao and Bradley, sana tumaya kay Bradley.
Well said.
Na, kasama sa istorya daw ng buhay. Minsan.
Kung alam ko lang na naka-wheelchair si Bradley ngayon eh.
Di sana tumaya pa rin ako sa kanya, di ba? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, sa mga bagong tune-in lang at mga bagong nanonood sa internet worldwide, what we're doing right now is Tunog Lokal of 89.5 FM Subic Bay Radio. Nandito po sa loob ng booth ang bandang Gray Area.
Yeah!
Yes. Ilang taon na uli ang Gray Area again?
Magto 2 years na.
Magto 2 years. Anong day na uli? November 25.
November 25 when we
Okay.
start.
So, ano kayang special performance na magagawin ng kakain kaya sila ng apoy?
Ito kami nakaubad.
Bubog?
We'll be having a rave party sa ano.
Ayos yan. Along with the close friends, of course, and the fans, most probably. Okay, so take muna tayo ng short break. But before we do that, sino mga gusto nyong i-greet? Simulan muna natin, of course, kay BJ. Go
Alright,
ahead.
I'd like to greet, of course, yung
Uy.
asawa ko, baby ko. Sana nakikinig ka.
Pareho ba yun? O magkaiba yun?
Isa lang yun, pre.
Ay, isa lang yan.
Jelly, Pantig Catalan. I hope she's listening right now.
Hi.
And yung baby namin, si Baby Jeco is coming out this July. So I'm gonna be a father soon. So
Wow.
Definitely a blessing. Yay!
salamat.
Congratulations.
Welcome to the club, man.
Definitely a
Salamat.
blessing. Oo.
It's gonna be sa July, making dad na ako.
No, lalo na yung pag yung yung nagigiggle-giggle na.
Yes.
Oo.
Iba yun.
Gusto mo na kagad umuwi after ng gig. Oo.
Gusto mo na nga sundan eh.
No.
Sundan yung anak mo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Of course, si Kuya, yun dun. Si yung aming
Si
kasama sa
ka-classmate.
bahay, si Gemma. Nakikinig ka ba ngayon?
Sino?
Si Gemma.
Yung...
Kasama namin sa
Oh,
bahay. Si Kuya MJ, Mike Piega. Of course, sila yung ng RWR, si Jeric Yanda, si Johnny Musni, si Teresa, hi.
Sa mga
Mare.
nagtitiwala. Yung mga nagtitiwala sa Gray.
Yun lang sa akin. Uncle Alex, if you're listening, sila Lenny, and everybody else. Sila mom and dad na nasa Virginia, si ate ko na nasa Tennessee right now. I don't know if, pero may mapapanood nyo naman to sa YouTube. So,
Yeah. Post yun lang ulit sa Facebook ng Gray Area. So, okay, sa mga kanya-kanyang personal Facebook accounts ninyo.
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga daddies.
Yes, advance. Happy Father's Day.
Father's Day.
Okay.
So, Betong, pare, advance ha.
Yari. Advance nga eh.
Advance pa no, advance.
Super duper advance daw.
Jaja nga pala. Dito. Miss Flores.
O pag bumibisita nga ako sa Facebook, nakikita ko sa Facebook yung accounts itong dalawang to. yung computer namin, yung bigla nagkakaroon ng gumagapang na langgam pa. Ganon yun eh. Oh. Bigla ba? Mukhang matamis yata yung napuntahan ko mali eh. Nakaingit. Okay. So, si Michael pala yung classmate
Yeah,
mo.
yeah, classmate mo.
Grade ko na lang din. And naalala ko kasi noon, nung grade school kami hanggang high school, pupunta sa bahay, naglalaro ng Atari tsaka ng Nintendo. Oo. Oh, yan, mga Pac-Man, Space Invaders. Ano.
Battle City.
Oh, Battle City. Yan, usong-uso yan, lalaro. Lalang. Okay, kaya dito na tayo sa ating other members of the band, of course, kaya Renz tayo. Pare ko, sino mga gusto mong i-greet, pasalamatan, makeup artist,
Siyempre, sisimulan ko kila Mitch. Yan. Hi, Mitch. Sa mga pamilya ko. Sa pamilya ko. Kay Renwald, kay Rendol, kay Rendal,
Happy Father's Day, pare.
Oh, salamat. Happy Father's Day to me, kay Nang Nang. Yan. Hello sa mga kamag-anak ko. Sino-sino ba? Ang dami eh. Pwede bang batiin lahat?
Yeah, go ahead.
Pipilitin ko lahat.
Yeah.
Hindi na kami tutugtog.
Okay lang. Sige, you got 5 days and 3 hours.
Sa lahat ng tropa. Kila Marvin, kila Phoebe, kila John G. Yung, sino pa ba? Teka, kila Rema, baka magalit. Next pa pala tayo.
Binati ko na si Rema.
Binati mo na ba? Oo. Sa lahat ng mga
Mr. Rema
nagtiwala.
Hebron.
Kay Memel, kung nasaan ka man, andito rin kami. Diyan ka lang din. Stay put lang dyan. Kay Mickey, nakangiti. Ayan.
Mickey, aming... mamaya, papakilala namin siya dito. Papasok yan dito.
Oo, hilahin na lang natin sila mamaya. Oo. Naku, nahihiya pa.
Sus.
Bawal mahihain daw sa music industry, di
Si
ba?
Paul nga pala, Paul. My man, my brother, Paul Velasco.
Sabi ng isa sa mga international or local viewers natin, from down under signing in, rabbits are here to stay. Nice name, Jacko.
Yo.
Oo.
Ay, kasi pinangalan ko lang.
Di ba?
Yan, si Jerry Clianda. Pare, love you. Alam mo yan.
Okay. So,
Betong na.
si Betong na. Okay, pakipatay na yung mga...
Pakipatay na na.
Pakipatay na yung transmitter. Oo. Sure ball naman na rin eh. Oo. Lahat yan, yung mga nakikinig sa mga bahay-bahay, sa internet, sa mga jeep, yan, establishment. Naglipat na. Okay. Betong, pare koy, balita sa mundong ibabaw.
Ganun pa rin naman.
Yun lang?
Bilog pa rin.
Bilog pa rin. Okay, so tanongin natin si Jeff Betong pala.
Yeah.
Oo. 6 plus 2 times 8 divided by
Pucha.
4, square root of 9 equals. Nag-compute!
AB plus.
Tanong lang naman natin sino mga gusto mo i-greet. Yan.
Ayan. Greet ko lang yung family ko. Family.
Hi, family.
Mom and dad sa Middle East. Sa mga kabanda ko sa Imbiano Kudos tsaka 21st Fever. Sa internet, Flux Internet Cafe, mga nakikinig yung mga yan. And syempre sa aking girlfriend na nandito ngayon kasama natin.
Kaya nga sabi sa'yo, di ba na, mamaya abangan mo yung mga langgam dyan.
Yun.
Yun.
Yun lang. Hello sa inyo sa mga nakikinig.
Okay. So next, before tayo mag-take ng break again, kailangan lang naman natin malaman saan kayo tumutugtog, yung mga schedules ninyo para masundan kayo ng inyong fans. At mga bago nyong fans ngayon dahil napakinggan kayo sa Tunog Lokal.
Pahabol lang yung aking mga kumpare, si Jan, tsaka si Tere. Of course, yung inaanak ko si Pau Pau. Hi, Pau!
Yan. Nonod sila right now.
Yes.
Cool.
Sila,
Okay.
sila.
So, saan kayo
Paborito
tumutugtog?
niya, wish I knew, kinakanta ni Pau Pau yan.
Di ayos na ayos pala. So, simulan natin ng Monday. Saan kayo pag Mondays?
No, we
Naglalaba.
don't have regular gigs.
Wala ba kayong regular
Yeah.
gigs?
We will have
Sa ngayon,
a
wala
gig
pa.
on July 7.
In a way, parang floating din kayo. Kung saan biglang hilahin na
Yeah.
merong... Okay, cool.
Kasi we're more on naka-focus kami ngayon sa original songs. You're more on sa production gigs. So mga mag-i-invite sa amin sa mga productions, concerts, mga ganyan. Please.
Mas
invite
panalo yun the way I see it. You're
yeah.
really into it professionally speaking.
Yes.
Hindi yung nightly gigs lang. Kundi you're looking forward into the growth of the band.
July 7.
Meron kami actually sa this coming next month, July 7, merong production yung RWR, which is...
Well, is it really okay for me to ask if you already have like a recording company under a certain... Wala pa naman so
Wala
far.
pa.
You're not signed
sinong
just
mga
yet.
gustong- Hindi lang.
Hindi kami.
Baka mayroong gustong mag-sign sa amin.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, cool.
Yung RWR production, yan ang production ng aming good friend, Jerry Clianda, John Musque, and Mickey Perez. So, meron silang, they're cooking a event. Actually, para din sa gray area, pero matagal pa yan. We're going to, yung EP launch namin. So, hopefully this year matupad yun. Pero this July, meron kaming event in Skink Uno, graffiti, skateboard, and bands. Ayun, yung
Wow.
medyo sa may Asinan.
Covered court.
Covered court.
Asinan Covered Court.
Yeah, that's gonna be on July 7. And we're gonna play there with lots of bands. So yung Imbiano Kudos, kasama 21st Fever, Power Tools.
Save Me Hollywood from
Dito
Manila.
Whoa.
Save Me Hollywood, nandun.
Okay.
Inday Bote from
Bote
Manila.
from Manila.
By the way,
Faint Light ba? Saan?
the wife of our panganay, Captain Mike Magade. Lit Magade actually. She's the former repertoire manager of Ivory and Vicar Records.
Wow.
So she's still connected, of course, with all the different recording
Asa kami
companies.
sa'yo.
Yeah. Kaya nga, ang sabi ko nga kay Ate Lit one time, well, since nakita niya kasi, dati pa kasi noon, kasama ko siya noon, nakita niya yung Vanity tumugtog sa Yacht Club when I was hosting a wedding then. Nagustuhan niya, gusto niya marami pala rito raw sa Olongapo City and Subic Bay na magagaling. So, sabi ko na lang, ipopost ko yung mga YouTube renditions ng then,
Thank you.
oo,
That's
then
gonna be a big help.
Especially daw pagka maglapit na mag-January, lahat daw ng recording companies are looking for new artists talaga. So by November, December, they're already looking para pagpasok daw ng next year, yun na yun.
Yun.
So, ito na, di ba? Papalapit na naman nila yung bagong So, by October, nagsa-search na yung mga yan uli for
Malay
the
mo,
next year.
Maasahan ka namin dyan.
Sabi ka na, malay mo, masahan. As in talaga 100% na nanginig naman ako bigla doon. Now, the thing is, this is also one of the reasons why Tunog Local exists. Of course, we need to help also the local
sobrang laking tulong
industry,
talaga.
di ba? Na magkaroon naman kayo ng exposure din. Kasi mahirap yung sa gig places lang eh.
Yep.
Di ba? Iba pa rin yung makapakinggan sa radio
Yes,
para makita
totoo
nila,
yan.
uy, dami palang magagaling talaga
Ito
sa
talaga yung
Olongapo
nasa
and Subic Bay.
airplane talaga.
Exactly.
And pwedeng batiin yung kararating na one of our producers, si Johnny Entere.
John
Johnny,
Interes.
Musni, and
Okay.
Terence.
Hi.
Si Pau Pau.
Welcome to
Ay, nana ko.
89.5 Worldwide. Yeah.
Yan yung mga nagtitiwala na
Mamaya,
ituloy-tuloy na.
naka-livestream tayo. Pakita kayo kay Jerry. Nanonood daw siya.
Okay, sure. Now, here's the thing. We're gonna have to take a short break. We'll be back. Meron
We'll be
tayong...
back.
Yung pinaprepare ko kasi na 4 na walis eh. 3 lang pala kayo.
Oo.
Yung bunot,
Iinis
4
muna
din.
po kami.
Oo.
Sa studio.
4 na bunot, 4 na walis.
Marami naman eh.
Oo nga, ba? May mga dumating na tropa di. Pwedeng iabot nila isa sa kanila. Okay. Alright.
Punas-punas lang po kami.
Oh, they'll be back after, say, maximum na yung 15 minutes.
Wala na pong
Mag-break lang
tugtog
sila.
yan. Kwentuhan na lang tayo.
Kwentuhan na lang tayo to the max. Okay, so ang number again is 0916-325-2205 if they want to contact, of course, Gray Area Band.
Kung gusto nyo bumili.
And
ng
kung
album.
gusto nyo bumili ng album pala. And yung Facebook ninyo, di
Yes,
ba?
www.facebook.com/grayareamusic. Kami po yun. Please like and share. Thank you.
Okay, so 0916-325-2205. Save Gray Area. Lagay nyo Gray Area. G-R-E-Y. Now, we'll be back after a
you, sir.
short commercial break.
89.5 FM.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is the real thing. The world is listening.
Transmission possible.
Hello?
Welcome to the internet, my friend. How can I help you?
Oh, suffering succotash.
They have the internet on computers now.
Strap in. You're about to listen to the hottest sounds.
89.5.
Subic Bay Radio.
Hi there, this is Lindsay. Using cell phones while driving is strictly prohibited.
In Subic Bay Freeport, traffic rules are strictly enforced. A safety reminder from Corporate Communication, LED, and this station. This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, DWSB-FM, SBMA FM radio station, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Jointly owned and operated by the national government and the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority. This is where you find news and entertainment with a wide variety of music, public service and information, giving you the best of Subic Bay worldwide, 24/7.
Hey, about to be married? Or are you currently organizing an event? Well, you don't need to worry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Raya Photography, Events and Wedding Planner. Your one-stop shop for all your events, photography and wedding needs. Raya Photography, Events and Wedding Planner. We offer photography, cinematography, SDE on-site video, photo gallery, photo booth, corporate AVP, advertisements, event and wedding